Hello friends, today I will tell you how to operate computer by mobile. So stay with me. My name is Gaurav and you're watching Honest Mark. First of all, you have to download an application from the Play Store. The name of the application is Remote Mouse. Now let's open this application. Friends, we had installed the software in this mobile, but we have to download the same application in your computer. Let's see it by downloading it in your computer. Friends, you have to download this software from this website. Open this website. As you can see, the green button, 1.17 MB the size of the software, and just keep download in your system. After the downloading, you just open it or run in your system. This is the interface of this remote mouse and IP address and the name of the computer. Even the setting have a general settings, password you can give for protection. Even you can transfer the images in a particular drive. Last tab is the information about version of this app. As you can see, show QR code as mentioned. That means you can generate a QR code, even you can scan through mobile phone. So let's start. Click plus sign right top corner. Connect by IP. The IP address we had already generated. After completing the IP address, click on tick button. Through this mobile application, your mobile phone act as a mouse. Some instructions that you have to follow. First is left click and right click. Left click for the single tab and right click for double tab. And now you slide. Now here you can see two finger for scroll up and scroll down. Like that you have to follow. Right now I am moving my finger on the screen of the mobile, while at the same time the mouse that is in the desktop is also rotating. It's mean that I can operate my mobile like a mouse. I don't need any other separate mouse. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this small information? If you like, then you share with your friends. If you're watching this video first time, so please subscribe it. I brought this type of video every